Last minute dinner guests have you in a panic over what to make for dessert? Don't worry, I have the perfect solution and your guests are going to love it. Let me show you how to make it. To make the lemon cheesecake mousse, start by adding 1 cup of cold heavy cream to a cold mixing bowl, and then using a hand mixer, whip it up until you get soft peaks. Set that aside, and in a separate bowl, add in 8 ounces of full fat cream cheese and fluff it up using your hand mixer. Add in 1/3 cup of your sweetener, and then 2/3 cup of my 5-minute keto lemon curd, and I'll have the recipe linked down below. Mix until it's well combined. Then transfer the mixture to the bowl with the whipped cream and beat just until combined. And that's it, it's ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm Julianne, Keto Cooking Christian, and you saw how easy that was to make. And let me show you a couple different ways that you can serve it. And the way that I serve it and have it photographed on my site is in this little martini glass. It's a little fancy, and you certainly don't have to serve it in something like this, but any kind of little glass will do. Just shows your guests that you went to a little extra trouble to show them that they're special. And just pipe it out real pretty. And then what I like to do, just to let them know that there's lemon in it, I like to add a little zest over the top. Adds a little pop of color, and of course, great lemony flavor. And then I like to garnish it with a little slice of lemon sitting on top. And there you go, super easy. Now, this dessert starts with my special ingredient, my key ingredient, which is lemon curd. Now, if you've not ever made lemon curd before, you probably have only heard of the stovetop version. The version that I like to make is made in my microwave, and it takes 5 minutes. It's so easy, it's super quick, and you can use it in so many different desserts. Because I'm pretty much obsessed with it, I have a ton of desserts that I use it in on my site, including I stuff it in lemon meringue cupcakes, Thumbprint cookies, little mini tarts. I have, if you've ever heard of a lemon lush, it's kind of a layered dessert, and one of the layers has a good amount of curd, kind of like a cheesecake layered dessert with the crust. Delicious. I even make an ice cream with it. So many uses for it. This is lemon curd right here, and it has just a nice thick consistency. And if you've ever heard of it, maybe you've heard of it as a spread, like on biscuits or scones, but I like to use it in different ways. So let me show you another way to serve this lemon cheesecake mousse. Take a little jar, and this is one of my little Weck jars, something else I'm obsessed with. I just love them. And you can pipe some of this out. And then I like to layer the curd. And this gives you an extra pop of lemon flavor. And then layer it a little more. You can clean up the edges if you want to get fancy. And then layer cheesecake mousse. And that's it. And you can finish it the same way. Put a little slice over the top. Now look how pretty that is, right? Who wouldn't want to eat that? So delicious. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. So good. Rich, creamy texture, silky, that pop of lemon flavor. I promise you, you serve this to your guests, they're going to be so happy and they're not going to want to leave. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite way to use lemon curd is, or what some of your favorite lemon desserts are. And if you give this recipe a try, also let me know. And I will link some of the desserts that I use this lemon curd in, because this recipe only uses 2/3 of a cup of lemon curd, and my lemon curd recipe gives you about a cup and a half. So you'll have some left over, and you can put that extra lemon curd to good use. Again, I'll link them down below for you to check out. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.